From all of us here in Gulf Shores and Orange Beach, the lodging partners, restaurants, attractions, golf courses, fishing charters, and the thousands of people who make your visit unforgettable, we want you to know that you're in our thoughts. Just like you, we're looking forward to brighter days ahead. Our destination is hard at work planning and preparing for your return. Area businesses are diligently cleaning and sanitizing for the good health of our local population as well as our visitors. And many are remodeling, updating, and generally sprucing up during this downtime. You are like family to us, and it is our hope that you will stay healthy and safe. We miss you, and we welcome your return when the time is right.